Are you gonna smile?
No, looks like.
Maddie, are you gonna smile?
Smile.
Smile.
Happy face.
Smile. Guys, okay. This is Keyhole State Park tree house that we rented for Labor Day weekend. Okay, guys. Cottonwood Camp. Okay, go ahead. Show us how it is.
This is a ramp where you run up and down, and it'll make a loud booming sound.
I feel bad for the campers next to us. While we tried to be quiet, it still echoes pretty loudly.
Empty canisters of gasoline.
And propane
and in games,
for the grill.
And in games, we say this is an alleyway.
Alleyway.
I stabbed a lot of cactuses, so you might see cactus.
Keely, we're gonna go in the door now.
Here is the magic.
The magic. We have a little half kitchenette here. Mini fridge, microwave, water purifier, coffee pot. We never used it though, did we? Daddy boiled his water and made coffee himself, didn't he?
And this is where...
This is the master bedroom. It was very nice to have a bed to sleep on. And didn't have to sleep on a hard floor or in a tent. Though Noah definitely hurt himself on the edge of that bed running around. But nice little area to keep things. Did not feel cramped in here. Let's show her. Not in my room it didn't. Nice table. It was mostly full of stuff, but it was a nice place to be able to sit sometimes.
Here's the hamburgers first night.
Hamburgers have a nice utility. Dad hiding in the utility closet. Surprise! Okay.
This is the really comfy couch.
Okay. Let's show reclining. Oh, reclining couches. Come on now. Oh, there you go.
My little chair.
And then this is Madeline's little area.
She likes to sit there. And then Hammy, give us a spin. Pull away from there.
Hold on.
You got it.
And I discovered something. I think people call it a footrest.
I think that's a luggage stand.
No, it's a footrest. See?
Okay.
Look how rested his feet are now.
Yeah. So rested.
So, and then you have a fireplace.
Okay, turn it on, but we gotta make sure we shut it off. It wasn't really cold enough for a fireplace, but it was fun. Okay, let's shut it off.
You can touch the logs.
Let's show the rest. Put everything back. Yeah, put everything back where it was, guys. This is the room that the kids stayed in. We had a top bunk. Noah stayed there more.
Me and Madeline slept here.
Keely and Madeline were here.
It lays back though.
It lays back, and then Hammy had sleeping bags right here. Wasn't too bad, huh?
The cold hard floor.
Wasn't too bad, right?
Yeah, no,
not too bad. We had doubled up the sleeping bags. Okay. This is most of the room. Look at the view. We're in the trees. Whoop. We're in the trees. Okay.
And then we have
Yep, we'll go out there. This is where we spent a good bit of our time.
Not me, I was inside reading Get Fuzzy.
that was nice.
Nice bunch of
We played
tables and chairs.
lots of campfire games.
Like
and
campfire games, even though we had no campfires. There's a burn ban going on now. Noah and Hammy made some wonderful breakfasts, and Jay made some wonderful dinners.
We also made some wonderful hamburgers.
Yep, good hamburgers.
They were very bloody though.
Well, that's okay. Not too bloody.
we
You couldn't
played
eat them.
telephone a lot. We played
Telephone. Okay.
Where we dump our dishwater.
Oh.
And peed. And threw everything all
Camping with boys. But look, beautiful view.
the lake right there.
And the sun sets right there, and you can see it reflecting all the way across the lake.
Into your
Beautiful.
eyes. Okay, well
Late at
this,
night, if you come out, you can, and listen real carefully, you can hear the woohoos and got-ems of night fishermen.
night fishermen. And they're listening to you play the fiddle.
Indeed.
Or us scream laughing.
This is the treehouse. Keyhole State Park, Cottonwood Camp. Okay.
Best small cabin ever.
Pine Haven, Wyoming.
And Paradise Foods is much better stocked than you would think they would be.
For a town of 10 people.
Okay. This is our glorious toilet. I'm very thankful for it, but it did not flush very well at all.
You say that again.
Okay, everyone go?
I
didn't.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
Maddie, get buckled. Here we are. We're gonna head home. Poor baby, you're okay. Hammy's all ready in there.
It's cold back here. I wish there were.